you know what it is? There's one thing that works.
2. I have a method, but go.
Are you going to hear mine? It's the only thing that works for me. And that is run until you literally cannot breathe. I sprint as hard as I possibly
How
can.
many beers deep are you when they're like, I'm going to
And you run, and then you throw up after
I'm
you're
not
done.
talking about just one sprint.
Random, oh.
I'm talking about like I run a mile. I run like a 4-minute mile. As fast as you could ever run it, and you literally have to lose your breath. Like be completely out of breath, and it will take your hiccups away.
So my method doesn't involve that. So you take a cup, fill it up with water,
dump it on your face.
put a knife in the cup,
This is, no, stop.
focus on the knife while you're drinking, like focus your view on the knife, and take 10 sips of water. Guaranteed.
This is the dumbest
no,
thing I've ever
I
heard.
Swear.
I'm sorry. Are you
I
kidding? Is this
swear.
real?
No, I'm serious. Put a knife in there, focus on the knife while you're drinking, take 10 sips of water, your hiccups are gone. Guaranteed.